Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here again. We have another vehicle for our July 5th, 2023 government surplus auction. Again, from one of the local municipalities, we have a 2009, I think it's a Grand Caravan, 5-door, 4-door hatchback. I'll do my little walk around here. Couple little marks there on the back bumper in the corners. Yeah, Dodge Grand Caravan CV. So I don't know what the CV stands for. Cargo vehicle, I'm not sure. Flex fuel rated, E85 ethanol. That's the cheap fuel that you can find, usually about just a little over half price of the regular gas that's out there. Definitely some marks there on the fender there, just by the passenger rear tire, and then another big rub mark there on the front on the passenger side, and then of course another small rub on the driver's front side here, front corner. Kind of hard to see that one, but it's there. Glass looks like it's in good condition. Of course, you know, we washed the vehicles and a bird's got a crap on the hood, so I'll just open up the side door here, and so yeah, it's got the looks like a plastic cargo style floor system. Looks like there was some marks on the ceiling, the head panel there, or roof panel, ceiling panel. I'll go open up the back door now. Again, starts and runs. We've driven it around the yard, coming on a tow truck, because everything from the government usually has to be towed here, but we do drive them around our yard. Lots of various marks and scratches on the interior panels there. Of course, you know, marks on the floor, more on this side over here. Again, all of the doors seem to move, open, close, stuff like that as required. I didn't check in this one here. Nothing there. Okay. So, great little travel vehicle, you know, if you're looking for something to holiday in, you know, a single or a couple. Put a lot of cargo in the back there, make a nice bed platform if you're the van lifer type of person, or you know, just for hauling stuff too. And vehicles come fairly well equipped. Power locks, power windows, you know, there's like cruise, tilt, air conditioning, all types of stuff like that. I'll just let you see. Now I'll wander back over to the driver's side, closing all the doors that I just opened. So this vehicle sells regardless of price, so the highest bid wins, which is unreserved. And now I'll climb in. Oops. Got to dig the keys out of my pocket. A little bit of a rip there, driver's seat, and some wear down there on the floor, probably from some work boots, something like that. And then I'll try and manage my way in here. 206,288 kilometers. Now I'll give it a start.
Maybe you want to grill it.
Yeah, so there you go there. All the warning lights come on. It's coming up with a change oil. So obviously needs an oil change. Maybe that needs to be done. Yeah, 206,288 kilometers. That was a cold start. I have driven the vehicle maybe 20 feet from where it's parked here at our yard. But we have driven it around the yard, of course, to you know, just make sure everything kind of works. There you go. We don't try all the options, of course. You know, we don't go through and check and make sure the CD player works and stuff like that. We just do very basic stuff, you know, forward, backward, drives backward, stops forward, stops backward. You know, that's about it. You know, we don't check all the windows, you know, like that. We don't do that. You want to do that? Come down to the viewing. You're quite welcome to. Anyways, I'll go and let you listen to the engine. Gotta figure out where the heck the hood release is. Way down there. We put lots of pictures online. See if I can do this. I can never do this one-handed. Whew, sorry about that. Oh yay. So we do put lots of pictures online. There's probably, you know, 50 plus photographs of the vehicle underneath, you know, all types of stuff, but also here what we're doing with the video. Now I'll let you listen to the motor. .3 liter V6. There you go. This is lot number N-1005 for our July 5th online auction. We are all city auctioneers. We are located here in Langley, British Columbia. This vehicle is selling. Highest bid wins. And of course you pay and pick up here in Langley. And it's just part of all the vehicles and equipment selling at this auction sale on that date. There's a few others. So I hope you get another buy auction. And of course, all bidding happens on bcsurplus.com. Thank you very much.